Well, there is just so much snow out there right now, we could really use a break. And fortunately, the system on the way tonight through tomorrow will not add to the totals all that much. Let's take a look at live Pinpoint Doppler 12. Nothing to track right now as we scan the skies over southern New England. I'm going to take you into Futurecast mode and watch what happens as we go into late tonight. After 9, 10, maybe not even until after midnight, we'll see the snow start to move in, even mixing to a little bit of rain at the coast. Tomorrow morning for the commute, this is around 6 o'clock. You know, sometimes when we see the blue on the screen, we take it literally and we know that's snow. In this case, we use this just as a guide. The fact that you're seeing green and pink means we could see really a mix of anything: sleet, rain, snow. So while it won't be an impassable morning commute, definitely things a little slow, especially with all the piles of snow from the previous storm out there. Into the late morning, this is the time where it's most likely that we could see some heavier bursts of precipitation. And when this happens, you can get a rain shower that quickly changes over to some moderate and even heavy snow. So if you're out and about late tomorrow morning through the early afternoon, that's where things may be at their worst. Again, not impassable, but some heavier bands of snow mixed with rain showers possible. Even down through the coast, we could pick up a little bit of that snow action. Now, tomorrow evening, the moisture starts to pull away, but it will be cold enough for all snow. Most likely locations to see that would be here in eastern Massachusetts, up through Plymouth County, Fall River, New Bedford, even through places like Seekonk, Acushnet. You could see a little bit of this lingering snow. And then that continues up in the Boston area through early Saturday morning. That's why the Boston totals and areas to our north will be higher than we're going to see from the snow. I'll put up those snow totals in just a second. In the meantime, at least we have the beautiful blue sky, right, to help try to melt the snow, but not a lot of melting going on today. That's because temperatures will stay just below freezing for high temperatures. Providence, you're at 28, Smithfield 28 degrees, Newport 27, and New Bedford at 31. One nice thing about the conditions right now is the fact that the winds are not that strong. They are completely calm in Providence, and in Newport right now you can see they're at 5 miles an hour, so the wind chill at 22 degrees. Not too bad given to some of the wind chills we've seen the past 24 hours. Notice on the satellite picture, here is our Clipper system on the way. Clipper systems originate from Canada. They tend not to have very much moisture to them. That's why it's going to be hard to really get a lot in terms of snow accumulation from the system. Watch what happens to our temperatures as we head into this evening. Notice how we're still in the low 20s at around 10 p.m. And even through the overnight hours, because of the increase in clouds, temperatures staying in the upper 20s to low 30s. 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, again, we use this as a guide. We don't take it literally. Temperatures right around freezing. So it's a situation where if the precipitation is coming down harder, you get that heavier burst of snow. Temperatures temporarily go below freezing. When it's not coming down as hard, we're just above freezing. So definitely some icy roads possible, and things will be slow tomorrow. And then tomorrow evening, temperatures do start to drop quickly down into the 20s and then down into the single digits for the mornings after that. I'll show you the very cold temperatures on the 7-day in just a second. Here's what we're looking at, and this is by late tomorrow night, a coating to an inch at the coast, 1 to 2 inches for the rest of us. So it's not a big accumulator, but we will put you in the medium category for the Eyewitness News Threat Tracker tomorrow. 7-day Futurecast shows a very cold start on Saturday morning, 8 degrees, only 19 Saturday afternoon. I should point out Saturday is a very windy day, so wind chills will stay in the single digits for a good part of the afternoon and could be at or below 0 early on Saturday morning. Very cold on Sunday as well, starting at 7, warming only to 25, but at least on Sunday the wind not as bad. Watching a system on Monday, Susan, right now it looks like mostly a miss, but still some potential snow, so Monday system still needs to be watched carefully.
Well, just great.
Yes, I know.
I mean, really.
Blame the messenger.
Seriously?
Seriously.
Thanks, Pete.
No problem.
Well, here's a look at what